With Waco being in between Dallas and Austin, we have a perfect opportunity for people from the metropolitan areas to come out here and you can paddle, you can have fun. Lots of opportunity for people to get outside and have fun outdoors.
It's a really fun place to start your kayaking and paddling journey.
So here along the Brazos River, we have overhang on cliffs, and with that, you'll run into a various amount of wildlife.
Hey guys, look at that bird over there.
I would definitely encourage residents here in the state of Texas to come to Waco, enjoy our waterways, especially these paddling trails.
Whoa. Hey, hey.
It had a fun echo though. Did you hear the echo? Nature has cycles, it has a tempo, and our bodies are actually used to that tempo. And sometimes in urban life, things are faster, they're flashier, they're more congested. When you get away from that, they have the ability to breathe slower. They can relax their shoulders a little bit more. They're able to think clearer because there's not so many distractions. There's not the next thing they have to do. There's just what they are doing.